Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Deeplee Airbed. It's a single airbed, a twin size air mattress for outdoor or indoor use. It's inflatable bed, blow up bed with rechargeable pump, electronic pump. That's awesome. And it is in storage bag included. And it's so easy and nice. The single size airbed. The dimensions of the Deeplee airbed are 191 to 99 to 23 centimeters. It is larger than the average one that can easily to accommodate an adult, allowing us to enjoy a comfortable sleeping like a king. But it's not a king size, okay? But it's for the little kings. The airbed's maximum weight capacity is 205 kilogram. Woo, these are 450 pounds, which can easily support both an adult and a child. And we have soft flocking top and an advanced air cores. The material is skin friendly, which can offer us a comfortable sleeping experience, while the waterproof PVC underside prevents slipping and sliding. The top of the airbed is also easy to clean. Simply wipe it with a cloth. That's awesome because it's easy. The Deeplee's air mattress features advanced air coils that adjust to our sleeping posture for an unprecedented sleeping experience. And it comes with a rechargeable air pump. The inflatable bed is equipped with a rechargeable wireless air pump that not only can quickly inflate and deflate the air bath, but also it can be used to inflate other inflatable products, such as inflatable pillows, swim rings, and so on. Compare with the built-in pumps of the other traditional inflatable beds, the Deeplee inflatable mattress pump is convenient and versatile. We can sleep anywhere and anytime. This multifunction airbed can be used for home sleeping, camping, picnicking, office, lunch breaks as well. No problem, you can use it everywhere. It is also perfect for our overnight friends and comfortable mattress. Will makes our friends enjoy good night. And it's so easy to storage. The air mattress comes with a nylon bag, which is perfect for storage and travel transporting. We can simply roll it, fold it up as we like. And of course, we can evacuate the air out of it by using the wireless pump with it. This is easy and this saves more space when the airbed is not in use. It's so easy. First step is deflate. Number 2 is we have to fold it. Then we have to roll it. Then we have to store it. Awesome. That's easy. We have a rechargeable air pump included. It contains a built-in battery. It can be used anytime and anywhere. It can inflate the airbed 4 up to 5 times if we are fully charged. We have on the front side a skin-friendly flocking top. On the back side a wear-resistant PVC material. And the dimensions are 99 centimeters to 191 centimeters to 33 centimeters. And if it is packed again, it's only 27 to 28 centimeters to 13. That's not big. And a strong inner gas structure, comfortable and stable. And it makes a nice sleeping comfort. Really. The weight is approximately 4 kilograms. The maximum capacity is 205 kilogram. And we have a bugged air value, a thick, non-toxic PVC, an awesome 450 pound maximum weight, and the carry bag and air pump is included. A unique design avoiding falling or dropping and a skin-friendly flocking surface. That's a perfect gift for everyone out there. The Deeplee twin size airbed is awesome. The Deeplee team insists on creating high-quality products with ingenuity. Every detail behind the inflatable bed is a testimony to quality. Rudged air valve. The air valve has double valve system. We can open the valve. We can easy to inflate the air mattress without air leaking, and the second valve is to quick deflate the airbed. And it comes with a skin-friendly flocking surface. In order to offer us a comfortable and stable sleep, the Deeplee airbed fractured with 0.3 mm soft flocking. The flocking has the characteristic of a soft feeling, moisture-proof, non-toxic, and tasteless, which is very friendly to human skin. And it comes with a unique design of bedside. The raised edges of the bedsides will somewhat prevent us from falling off the bed. And non-toxic and durable materials featured with non-toxic thick 0.4 mm PVC. The airbed will always maintain the structure without drop or shaking. In addition, PVC is a durable material that can enhance mattress durability. And 205 kilogram. I contains 120, so I can sleep on it plus a child, for example, or a mini guy. No, that's no problem. The maximum weight will not reach. The Deeplee air mattress features with a large capacity so that we can easily to accommodate both an adult and a child on it. And its carry bag and an air pump is included. Deeplee air mattress features an awesome air pump system and a carry bag that is included with the rechargeable pump system. The airbed can also easily to fold and roll and storage into the carry bag. And the airbed material is rubber and has elasticity for the first use. The honeycomb belt is in stretching period, so it is normal for the bed to have some leaks after one night, okay? We have to inflate the new airbed, let it rest for 24 hours, and then re-inflate it. At this time, the airbed will gradually stabilize. Okay, of course, we should not overfill it, so take care at the first time a little bit, yeah? A used airbed will reach the maximum flexibility, and the new airbed has not the stretching level like an used airbag as well. And of course, different temperature can affect the elasticity of the airbed itself. A cool day, the airbed can be stretched to the best. Be careful not to overinflate the air. Second, there comes a cold night, okay? The rubber shrink when it is cold, so the airbed have some deflations. Then we have to re-inflate the air a little bit, and that it is. And the airbed in hot days, the airbed may be thermally expanded and damaged. So don't let it in so hot temperature areas, or you have to deflate a little bit of it before the airbed reaches its maximum elasticity and full stretching. It is normal for the bed to have some leaks after one night, okay? In this case, they suggest that we inflate the airbed and let it rest for 24 hours. The second day, first deflate the airbed completely and then inflate it again. Usually, we need to re-inflate the inflatable bed 2 up to 3 times. We should not overinflate the airbed, otherwise it will deform. And of course, we do not have to jump on the inflated bed. That's not good. There will be a smell when I first received the airbed. Of course, we'll let the bed rest for 24 hours. The smell will disappear. And that's right, I tried it. And of course, put the airbed on the ground without a sharp object. And if you have a fail function on the pump itself, remove the red cover, because this is the air pump lock, okay? The air pump lock is a red, it looks like a red button, and you have to remove it, then the air pump will work, no problem with it. If we do not use the inflatable bed for a long time, then we have to deflate and store it proper. That's a standard way. but you can see it's really easy, and you will inflate it. I think 2 or 3 minutes. It will be inflated with this awesome pump system. And to deflate, you will only need 1 minute. It's no problem. And of course, on the pump system itself, there is an inflate area and a deflate area to remove the air out of it, and the other area is to inflate it. This is the awesome Deeplee Airbed. It's a single airbed or a twin size air mattress for outdoor and indoor use. It's an inflatable bed and blow up bed with rechargeable pump. And the pump you can recharge by using your smartphone AC adapter, for example. And it comes with a storage bag. That's awesome. That's Deeplee Airbed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. So.